So today we're going to show you a Type-C blower that I like to use. I always keep it in my pocket because when I'm spraying, I don't like a air compressor blower because it's too strong. So this one, the nice thing is, just one speed, you turn it on, and it doesn't affect us blowing all the air everywhere in the shop. And as you see, I'm going to do a small demonstration. If I'm spraying something, I don't want it to fly everywhere. I'm just going to dust a little bit off here. See, it doesn't fly everywhere like with the air blower. Really nice. And it goes in my pocket. Enamórate. Esos son los que sí se descabuzan con chapa. Hasta que me quede de maybe something.